welcome everybody back to the crypto forex market, and we're going to be looking at four cryptocurrencies today, just four cryptocurrencies today, and we're going to home in first on XRP USD. Let's get straight in it. I hope you guys subscribed from last week, but please continue to subscribe because yeah, without it, I want to literally grow this thing and literally give you the best content every time. And yeah, let's get straight into it. XRP USD, many of you might have seen that it's really slow at the moment. This period of time right now is consolidation. On daily, where we are on the daily time frame, as you could see here, this is a time chart. So each candle represents whatever chart it's on. So right now it's on a daily chart, and we are having some consolidation around this area. Consolidation literally means that it's deciding which way to go. At this present time, it's looking good still because we're over our 50 EMA. We're at the 50 mark at the moment, and yes, we could explode to the upside, and we could go back down to touch one more, back down to around 60.71. So at this moment, I'm waiting for the breakout. So the breakout area I'm looking is around this area here. So let me get this box thing, it's not drawing properly. Yep, around this breakout area here. So what I'm looking for, either a move back down to here, which is around the 61 fib, or a break up here, which I'm looking at most likely to happen. So consolidation, yeah, it's being up and down on a daily time frame. So you guys might have been thinking, what's going on? What's going on? But yeah, just give it time. Once we see the break, then you're up. But yeah, this is a good area to buy in, around this area here. Also, as I said before in the last video, this is a good area to buy. And I'm looking for the $1 mark. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that $1 mark to reach. Once we reach that $1 mark, then literally the sky's the limit. So if I break out to the weekly, you can see, yeah, this weekly candle, as we're on the weekly right now time frame, is being bullish. Yeah, so we got that. So what we're looking for a close above this area here for it to continue going up. So most likely that could happen anytime. I can't put a time on it, but the way things are looking, the way the movements are looking here, up and down, I'm looking for either one more retrace back down here and then up, or straight explode to the $1 mark, which is hitting around this area here. Yeah, and then once we reach the $1 mark, as I said again in my last video, I'm looking for this move to happen. So once we break this $1 mark here area, I'm looking for a retouch of support of the $1 mark to then go to $2, and then from $2 to test this level here, $2 mark, and then sky's the limit from there. That's what I'm looking for. Those are the two moves. Right now, it's consolidating. So I'm looking for a move going up there, and then sky's the limit here. Yeah. So to me, XRP is still looking good. It's just a patient man's game at the end of the day. And sometimes if you're not patient, you're not going to see the results. So you're best being patient for XRP, because I believe that explosion is going to happen very soon. Very, very soon. So those of you that are holding, well done. Those of you that want to buy in, this is a good area to buy in at the 50 cents. Very good area. So yeah. So I'm going to go into the next one. I'm going to be looking at Adana, otherwise known as Cardano. I'm not pronouncing it right, but I'm going to show you right here where it is. I'm looking at that currency as well. Here we go. All right, so we could see very bullish, and this is you know, an altcoin as well, just like XRP. And a weekly time frame, that's very bullish. Last week I was speaking about Cardano, and I was speaking about for it to explode to the upside, and literally it's done that. So if we go on the daily time frame, we could see here that when it done that explosion, that was from the 20th of February. Now the date today is the 21st, so that was literally yesterday. Yesterday we had that breakout. So whoever bought in for Cardano, otherwise known as Adana for short, you guys are going to be smiling. So yeah, we had that breakout that happened yesterday on the 20th of February, and today is the 21st of February. So what I'm looking for now, I'm looking for either a continued move up for Adana, or I'm looking for that retrace to happen from that breakout. So this is what I'm looking at now. So I wouldn't buy in right now. I would wait for the retrace to test this area where it broke out, and then this is the area where I'll buy in, around here, and then for that move to happen straight up like that. That's what I'm looking at now. So those of you, you're wondering, should I buy in to Adana? I would say wait for a retrace to happen, because it did break out this area, and for it to go back up. So we could see that retrace happening now slightly. I've got my RSI here, I've got my stochastics. Literally these tell me what if price is really going to move in a certain direction. And at the moment, price is starting to slow down at the moment for Adana. We can see a clear breakout if we look at the 4 hour. 4 hour is a time frame. When you look at this candle, 4 hour time frame, it's a good time frame to look at for entries. So we could see that clear breakout on the 20th of February. That's happened here. So you could see the consolidation area where it's consolidated. It's above my 50, so yeah, it's still bullish. EMA, the blue and the red, they're pointing up, so yeah, that wants to continue up. So yeah, altcoins are doing really well right now, and I'll be looking at other coins next week as well. So I would wait for that retrace to happen here, because anytime price breaks out of an area, it always retraces. When I talked about XRP to you, I said you got to wait because it was consolidating. Wait for that breakout to happen. When that breakout happens, then you could take your position. XRP is still consolidated. Adana, however, is broken out already. So yeah, just simply wait for that retrace, wait for that to come down, and then take your buys from here. Be a very good area for Adana. Yeah, so it's quite easy to see. Okay, I'm gonna use my fib and just see likely retrace areas where it's going to. Fib retracement is a good tool to have when you get any kind of breakouts or retracements, to see what kind of area it's going. So I'm just going to spin that around simply like that. So we had that move. That was the last lower low that we had before the up movement. So that's at the 100. My golden area is between 60 and 71. It's perfectly aligned. And yeah, I would always buy on the 61 area on my fibs, between 60 and 71 as my golden area. I don't buy on the 38. I normally buy around this area here. So this is the move that I'm looking at here for Adana here. Here. And this could happen, literally, this could happen in a day. And then for that to continue going all the way up, at least to my 61, and then retesting probably around this area here. But yeah, Adana, sky's the limit. It could continue going all the way up. So yeah, this is a good area to buy in at here. So please, like if you like my content, please subscribe, because I need more subscribers. And those of you just watching that has not subscribed, that enjoy my content, please subscribe so I could grow even more and help you guys invest and getting in at the right places to invest, which is the most important. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at for Adana. So yeah, Adana's looking very nice, very nice. Yeah. So that's the area there. So I'm going to go into my next one now. So I'm actually going to save this because this is looking really good. So that is looking very, very good. Yeah, you can see just before we leave it, you can see that strong breakout here. So that's perfect. That's a perfect. And this candle here, when you see this candle here wicking to the upside and creating a shooting star, you know that's going to drop soon. Just like here, for example, this candle here, you see how it was created, then it began to drop and it turned red. Literally, once you see these candles start to turn red, especially, then you know a drop's going to happen. And it happens time and time again. Look, you can see here, turn red, retrace, straight up. It always repeats itself, price action. And that's why you call these candles, because you have the wick like a candle. And when it wicks, that means it's literally going to bounce off an area. You can see the wick from here, started here. And I'm expecting that to come down here to go up. So yeah, you got to be patient and the thing will play out for you. So I'm going to go into the next one, Polkadot, because I know that's a famous one that a lot of people are eyeing up at the moment. I spoke about that last week as well. And the short abbreviation for Polkadot is .USD. So let's go straight into that one. Here we go. We're on the daily time frame here still. You could see that yesterday it broke out, same as the Dana, broke out exactly the same. So this is going to be the same scenario. So I've gone on to the 4 hour here. So the reason why I go down, I want to home in to see exactly what price is doing. When you're on a bigger time frame, you can't really see exactly the movements that it's starting to do. So when you feel like the market's starting to turn, then you could go down to a lower time frame to see exactly what the market's doing. See, that's consolidating, so that wants to change direction. So I'm just going to go on the 4 hour here. And then we'll see the breakout. So we're getting a breakout. Okay, let me go back to the daily. Excuse me. So we could see where the breakout happened. So that's yesterday. So it broke out 2 days ago. It broke out even more to the upside from here. So if I put a box around this area, go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, you can see that clear breakout here. So yeah, I'm looking for that to drop at least to around this area here, and then to shoot straight up there. Simple. Let's put my fibs and see what area of retracement, if it lines up with my fibs. Let's spin that around. Yeah, not too bad. So we're looking around this area here for that to happen, for that to spin around. So that was the last time where it pushed off. So yeah, we're looking for a drop around this area here. And then once I get an area price action to come around this area here, then yeah, that's a good area to buy. So if you're wondering for Dana, you see consolidation on the 4 hours starting to happen. Once you see that consolidation, when it starts to consolidate and it's like not moving nowhere, that means that price wants to turn around. So when you see this kind of thing happening, price is not going nowhere, it's not going up, it's not going down, then just wait for the breakout to happen. And most likely this price will most likely drop. And then you'll see another consolidation happen like that. And then most likely you're going to get a move like that. So yeah, that's what you got to wait for. So yeah, again, .USD is a very good altcoin as well to buy in at. So yeah, as I said again in my last videos, that yeah, we got altcoin season. You could see altcoin, the strength of it is just like incredible. And thank you to my other followers that commented before. You guys are enjoying it. You guys are reaping your rewards. Anybody else that wants to join my channel, you will reap rewards, because every video that I've actually spoken about the currencies has actually happened. So that's what I need. I need more of you guys to put likes and subscribe, and I'm going to give you this content continually all the time, because I just want to help my people that want to invest and make money. I want to help you guys. That's it, no charge at all. But yeah, we had a very strong breakout from the 19th. You could see on the 17th February to the 18th consolidation. It even broke out here, and it retested this area here, and then it broke out again. And now we're waiting for a drop. See that candle here in the daily? We're getting a slowdown of price. So when you see a slowdown happening, the price is going to reverse before going up. And that's why I talked about Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, you got to be careful, because yeah, Bitcoin might be going up, but you're going to get a reverse coming on. I'll go into Bitcoin at some later point. Maybe I might slip in Bitcoin today actually as an extra one. But yeah, you could see that that's going to happen. That's going to drop at some point. So yeah, this is a good area to buy in at if you guys are wondering where to buy in at this price here. I'm really loving the altcoins, because this gives you an opportunity to, make a lot of profit and just leave it for the long term, and you're going to definitely reap the rewards. Yeah, I could see the altcoins going up as high as possible. Who knows? Sky's the limit. But yeah, I'm definitely interested in this, and I'm sure you guys are as well. All right. So next one. So I've looked at Ripple, Adana, Polkadot, and let's see the next one I could look at today for you guys. Dogecoin, yeah, you got Dogecoin. A lot of people's been talking about Dogecoin here. That's the Dogecoin symbol right there. Let's look at Dogecoin to see what Dogecoin is doing right here. So we could see Dogecoin for the past few days, it's literally done a massive retrace. Yeah, see that it came up here, then it done a retrace here. So we look at a weekly time frame, you could see, yeah, massive retrace is coming. See, that's what I'm saying. You can't quickly jump into the markets and think, yeah, it's going to continue. Market has to always retrace, and this is what it's doing right now. So that's why it's so important to keep engaged in what is happening in the markets and know why it's happening. So we could see a retrace, a retouch around this area. This area obviously looks like a strong area of support, which was previously resistant, where it broke out here. So I'm going to put an area of interest here. This is the area of interest here that it tested, and now I believe it's going to go to the upside. Yeah, it's just currently just hanging around this area here. This is the last time where it tested here. It's all above my 50 MA, so that shows me that Dogecoin continually wants to go up. It's looking good. So if I put my fib here, let's see some possible entry areas. Spin that around. Yeah, perfect. I'll tell you, golden ratio sitting right there. Yeah, so this is an area where I could see some wicking going on. So I wouldn't be surprised if we had this kind of movements before actually it continuing to explode to the upside. That's what I'm looking at. So this area here is a good area to buy in at. I'll just widen the golden area here, because my golden area always sits between the 61 and 68.1 and 71 fib area. So I'm looking for a movement like this to happen. So the price at the moment, 46, around this area here, 45. I would say, yeah, just around this area. You can see this candle here. Literally came off that, bounced off. It looks like it wants to come back down again to test it and then flying up. But yeah, this is a good area to buy. where it is now. Or even if it wicks down, if it does, then you've got a little bit more chance to get in at a lower price. But yeah, I would say this is a good area here that you could buy in at for Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin, you see all the coins, they're about to explode to the upside, continually explode. And we're going to have retraces like this, and then we're going to have an explosion, and the retraces explosion. So yeah, with Dogecoin, sky's the limit where it's going to go. So yeah, that's looking really good. We could go as far as possible. But this year is a year for Dogecoin. So if I go back onto the 4 hour, yeah, you could see this area is just being tested severely. Yeah, so that's a good area for you. All right, but I hope you guys like my content because I'm giving you the best every time. But yeah, it's looking good, looking very good. And what I like about the cryptocurrency, you could buy in at any day. Monday to Sunday is a good day. All right, so I'm going to move into the last one, which is Bitcoin. I'm giving you extra one today. I was going to do 4, but I'm going to give you one more to just show you what Bitcoin's doing right now. So you see that from last time we spoke, I said that we could possibly have this move. It didn't happen. It stayed above my 50 for Bitcoin, 50 EMA. Anytime price is above the 50 EMA, we're buying. If it breaks below, we're selling. And it didn't happen. It didn't break below. It broke up. You can see my EMA is going up like that. Bitcoin's doing amazing stuff this year. It's quite strong, but I believe at some point Bitcoin's going to drop and retrace and then come back up. So be careful, guys. Like if you're buying in at this price, be very careful. But again, we could see a breakout on the 8th of February that happened on the daily time frame. This broke out in this area here. It tested. I believe we could have another retest here. So we could have this scenario happening here. Have this digging into this area where it broke out of, and then continuing up like that. That's what I could see possibly happening. So yeah, I wouldn't buy in around this area here. I'll wait for it to test this area properly. If you look on the weekly, you can see that strong breakout that happened right here. Look how it wicked off this area here. So obviously this is an area that is very strong. It broke out this area. Look at that candle. From the 8th of February, that's where we had that strong breakout. I'm waiting for that to come down like that. Test this area. So this is the area 42, around 42, 43, 44,000. I would say I'll keep it around here. 42,000, good area to buy. So anywhere around this area here, very good area to buy. So I hope you like my content because I'm just giving you every time I look at these currencies, I'm giving you all the best. Yeah, cryptocurrency is the way forward, man. Definitely the way forward. So yeah, we're going to get a retrace at some point. So let me see if I put my fib, see what could happen on this level here. Yeah, perfect. You can see it every time. Yeah. Thanks to my mentor. My mentor literally taught me how to use fibs, and if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have the best entry points as possible. So yeah, I'm giving him the props. I've learned how to use fibs, and these tools are amazing. You could look up on YouTube how to use fibs. And yeah, from what you're seeing here, I'm teaching you. But if you want any one-to-one teaching, then yeah, just hit me up, and yeah, no problem. We could do something. But yeah, these fibs are amazing. Look up fibs and what they do, and you know, they will tell you exactly what fibs I do. Yeah, it's basically retracement points. So the 61-71 is a golden ratio for me. All these levels are quite important. Even the 00, 38 is important. Some people buy after 38, but not me. As I said, it's between 60 and 71. Yeah. So I hope you like my content today. I just zoned in on mostly the altcoins, and then I just touched in that with Bitcoin. to give you a view of what's going on with the markets, but they're looking very good. As I said before, please look at CoinDesk. It will give you all the different coins and how they're doing as well. It'll give you analysis of what's going on with the altcoins. FX Street is very good as well. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed my content. I'll see you on the next side. You take care, and I hope you're taking everything that I've actually showed you, because you're gonna enjoy. You're gonna reap the rewards. Just be patient and just watch my video to the fullest, and then you will learn exactly what I'm talking about, and to make sure that you invest at the right times as well. It's very important. So yeah, please put a like, put a comment, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the other side.